Let me tell you something. This smells so good, y'all. I'm telling you.
Have you ever went in the kitchen and seen nothing and still made something and it became scrumptious?
Welcome to Carmel's Wine and Cheese, you guys. So listen, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make canned beans taste super good. Now, you can use black beans, you can use kidney beans, but for this video, I'm going to use black beans because I had 2 cans of that. So the first thing I'm going to do, obviously, is open up those cans, and then I'm going to put them in a strainer because I'm going to wash all of that juice off of there. So while those beans are draining, I'm going to go ahead and cut up a half of 1 large yellow onion. Oh, excuse me, that's not yellow, that's actually a white onion, but that's okay. I'm going to use 1/2 of that, so I'm going to cut that up. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut up 1/2 a large red bell pepper. Now listen now, I know somebody probably gonna be saying, who in the heck put onions and bell pepper in their beans? Listen now, don't knock it till you try it, because I promise it's gonna be good. Now, of course, I gotta add the fresh garlic in there because it ain't a recipe without the garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop that. It don't gotta be minced and all pretty and everything. I'm gonna just coarse chop that. So now, once that's added to the pot of beans, I'm gonna go ahead and add some unsalted butter, some red pepper flakes, and some chicken bouillon. And I'm also gonna use low sodium chicken broth, okay? Low sodium. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the eye. And I did taste it just to make sure it had enough seasoning, and it's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover that. And after 10 minutes of cooking, I'm gonna take that lid off. I'm gonna give it a good mix. And then I'm gonna just cover it back and put that on low to medium heat. And the reason why you wanna put it on low to medium heat is so that it'll get a little thickness to it. And it's gonna end up looking just like this. Look at that. That looks good, huh? So let's go ahead and plate it because we done. Then sprinkle that with a little greenery for some razzle dazzle. And I just realized something. I ain't used no Zatarain's blackening seasoning. But Zatarain's, y'all still need to send me a check. But look at that. Y'all listen. This smells so good and it was seasoned perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and drop that recipe in the description as well as the comments.